Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Children, welcome back to our virtual online classes. Children, first of all, I wish you all a very happy new year. May this year bring new happiness, new goals, new achievements, and a lot of inspirations in your life. Wishing you a year fully loaded with happiness. Once again, wish you all a very happy new year. Children, now your winter vacation has over. So in this video now we are going to start chapter 7, that is air. So let's start now. Children, open the EVS book at page number 54. Lesson 7, air. In this lesson we will learn about properties of air, air pollution and airborne diseases. Now open the book at page number 55. Children, first we will learn about air. Okay, now children, tell me, can you feel the air? Yes, you can feel the air. Children, air is present all around us. Though we cannot see the air, but we can feel it. Air is always moving and it has no smell. Children, you must have seen a kite flying in the sky. What makes it fly? Yes, children, it is the air that makes a kite fly. Air is everywhere around us. Though we cannot see or touch it, we can feel it. So, children, air is made up of different gases. One of this gas is oxygen. Oxygen is one of the most important gas for us and all the other living things. We all need oxygen to live. Children, we have already learned in previous class that fast moving air is called wind and a slow gentle moving air is called breeze. Children, and a strong and fast wind is called storm. Children, open the book at page number 55. Now children, we will learn about the properties of air. So children, what do you see on the screen? Very good children, this is hot air balloon. Hot air balloons are of different shapes and sizes, and these balloons can actually rise up in the air. In fact, these balloons can carry human beings up in the air. Children, do you know how are these balloons so powerful? How are they fueled? Do we have petrol or diesel which power these balloons? Not really. These balloons are powered by air, just hot air. So, you see, although air is all around us, and you may feel that apart from breathing in air, air does not have any other function, but actually air is so powerful, it can actually carry you up in the air. And the children, the air which we are talking about is a form of matter. Air has its own properties. So children, now let's learn about the properties of air with the help of an activity. First is air occupies the space. Children, first take water in a transparent bucket and an empty transparent glass. Now turn the glass upside down and try to push it down into the bucket of water. You will find it difficult to push the glass in the water. Now children, slightly tilt the glass, you will see bubbles coming out from the glass. When water enters the glass, the air present in the glass comes out in the form of bubbles. This activity shows us one of the properties of air, that it occupies empty space. Children, next is take a football with no air in it and weigh it with the help of your parents. Now, ask your parents to pump air into it and weight it again. You will see that the weight of the football has increased. This is because air is filled in it. So children, this activity shows that air has weight. Children, next activity is, with the help of your parents, take a container. Fill it half with water and heat it. Now take an empty transparent plastic bottle and fix a balloon over its mouth. Put the bottle in the container with hot water. You will see that the balloon grows in size. This is because the air inside the plastic bottle expands due to heat and starts moving into the balloon. So children, this activity shows that air expands on heating. Children, next is air has no smell, but as it moves, it can carry smell all around. For example, it can carry the good smell of food from the kitchen or the bad smell of the garbage truck. So the children, properties of air are: air occupies empty space, air has weight, air expands on heating, air has no smell. Now children, take out your EVS Fair notebook. Children, first you will mention your name here, mention your class and section. Then write 26th assignment. Mention the date here. Write lesson 7 h.w. In the next line you will write lesson name air. Come to the next line. Answer the following questions. Full stop. Done children? Write QUE.1. Question number 1. What is wind? What is wind children? Yes, fast moving air is called wind. Here you will write ANS. Answer. Fast moving air is called wind. Full stop. Now come to the next line. Write question number 2. QUE.2. Why do we need air? Question mark. Why do we need air children? We need air to breathe. Yes, here we will write ANS. Answer. We need air to breathe. Full stop. Done children. Now come to the next question. Here you will write in the next line QUE.3. Question number 3. Write any two properties of air. You have to write the two properties of air. In the next line you will write ANS. Answer. The two properties of air are dash A. Air has weight. Full stop. Air has weight. Next, B. Air occupies space. Full stop. Done children? So children, in this video we have learned about properties of air. In next video we will continue with air pollution and airborne disease. Children, you have to do your work in very neat and clean handwriting as I have done in the EVS Fair notebook. Okay children, till then take care, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.